My name is Narendra. I'm from Maharashtra. Basically, I'm from non-IT background. When I got to know about Krn Informatix and its key trainer, Mr. Pratap Sir's transformative results, I joined KRN. I got trained under him. His expertise, experience in IT industry, and daily shared videos helped me a lot to understand testing thoroughly. Because of plenty of practical examples, live project, I got to know exactly how to work as per company requirements. I would say Krn Informatix is the best training institute in Bangalore to learn Selenium automation with Java.
Hi, I'm Flavia. I'm from Bangalore. I was looking out for an institute which offers manual and automation testing, and I came across Krn Informatix, which had very good reviews. And I enrolled there, and I was very impressed with the Pratap sir's teaching. He explained all the concept with live examples and project, and I was able to secure a job within 2 months of the course. I would highly recommend Krn Informatix for automation and manual testing course.
This is the best place to learn software testing.